Hello, welcome to Python code series. In this video, I'm going to discuss the concept of nested loop. So what is nested loop? So it's like I'm using a loop on the loop inside a loop. So let me write the syntax. So for I in range 3. So in the block of this loop, I'm going to introduce another loop. So I'm having 4 indentation to define the block of this loop. I'm starting a new statement for j in range. Of course, I have to use another variable. So this is my loop inside another loop. This is my inner loop and this is my outer loop. And suppose inside this loop I have the statement print I comma j. So it will print the value of I and j. So initially, starting from here, I will take value 0. My I will be 0 and then it will come to this block. Okay, so this is the range actually 0, 1, 2 and this is my also 0, 1, 2. Okay, so I will take value 0 and for this loop j will take value 0. So my output will be 0, 0. So my output will be 0, 0. Okay, now this has to complete this inner loop. Okay, so my control will go here again. The j will take value 1 and it will print I comma j. So it will print 0, 1. So again control will go here. J will take value 2. So it will give 0, 2. Now after the completion of this inner loop, my control will go to the outer loop. Okay, now my I will take value 1. So I will take value 1 and it will come to this inner loop. So in this inner loop, j will take value 0, 1, 2. So output will come out to be 1, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 2. Okay, so after this completion of this loop again, the control will go to the outer loop and I will take value 2 and it will run and this loop will again run. So I has taken value 2, j will take value 0, then print it value, then take 1, then print this value and then take value 2. So the output will be 2, 0, 2, 1 and 2, 2. Okay, so I hope you got this program and the concept of nested loop.